Hello friends, in today's video, I'll show you how to quickly find a Verizon store near you using your zip code. This is helpful if you need in-person support or want to visit for a new phone, accessories, or billing help. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. You can use Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any preferred browser. Next, go to the Verizon website by typing verizon.com in the address bar and press Enter. You'll see the Stores tab at the top right corner of the Verizon screen. Click on the Stores tab. You're now on the Verizon Store page. You'll see a search bar that asks for your location. Here, type your zip code. For example, if you live in New York City, you might enter 10,001. Verizon will now show you a list of nearby stores based on the zip code you entered. You'll see store names, addresses, and even their hours of operation. You can also click on a store to see more details like directions, services offered at that location, or if you want to book an appointment. There's also a map on the right side that shows store locations visually. You can zoom in or out and click on pins to select a store. If you want to narrow down your search, use the filters. You can select options like appointments, store type, and company owned, stores or authorized retailers, and express pickup options. And that's it. Now you can find a Verizon store near you using your zip code. It's quick, easy, and useful when you need in-person help. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the free tech guide for more new tips and tricks.